welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to organize a woman's closet. I hope you all have decluttered your closet first. If you have not, or you are new to this channel, then please see my video on decluttering. The link for the same is given in the comment box below. So do watch the video before organizing your closet. And in this video, we are going to see different types of folding methods for clothes, products that can be used in organizing, and benefits of it. So we are going to see two methods of folding clothes, and one you all know, we usually follow it in our house. That's a very common method, and the method that we are going to learn new is the KonMari method. So let us see. So let's first see the common method that we usually use for folding clothes is this. I think you all will agree to this. This is what we usually do. We just fold the clothes this way, and okay, this is the way that we fold clothes, and we stack it on top of each other, right? So normally we all do this. Okay, so let me show you what is KonMari method. So in KonMari method, we usually fold the cloth into half. Okay, now you fold it from here. This portion will come to half, and you have to fold it this way so that it stands vertically. So this is a KonMari method where your clothes are placed vertically. In common method, we place it on top of each other, but in KonMari, it is a vertical placement of your cloth. Okay, so this is how we usually place clothes in KonMari method in a vertical way. Okay, so this is a traditional way of folding clothes, and this is the KonMari method that we learned. Okay, in the traditional way, usually what happens is, for example, I want this red top which is stacked below, and I just pull it. So what happens is the clothes on top get disturbed, and it adds to the clutter. In KonMari method, it is for me, KonMari method is practical because I can see all my clothes from top because they are arranged vertically, and I decide, okay, I'm going to wear this top. I can just pick it up without disturbing the other clothes. So for me, this method is practical. So how many of you agree with me that we women have lot of clothes than any of our family members? Yes, I do. So it's going to take us lot of time to arrange our closet. So let me show you some of the methods that I use to organize my closet and the products that I have been using. So before that, let me give you some tips for organizing a closet. Organize items into specific categories. Eliminate items that don't belong in that particular closet. If it's a closet for clothes, so make sure it is used for clothes only. Store seasonal wear in a separate place. Hang delicate and fancy clothes. Heavy dresses like party wear, anarkalis or long dresses should be folded. You can use sari covers or lehenga covers to store them. Jeans can be stacked or arranged vertically. T-shirts, sportswear, leggings to be stored in boxes. Most important, follow a system that you can maintain, not because someone else is following. So these are the trousers and the jeans that I have arranged. I have arranged it vertically. So I for me it is practical because I can see what I have and then just pull one that need. Now this is the shirts or the tops that I have, but I have arranged it in our traditional way of stacking because some of them can't be arranged vertically, so I have arranged it traditionally. Now these are some of the tops that I use this KonMari method of having it vertically arranged. So this is also a practical solution for me, so I use this. So let me show you how I have organized my leggings. So I have used this innerwear organizer which is available online, and so I have used this for arranging my leggings. So this is a very practical solution where where you can see all the leggings and it is easy to access. Yeah, so I prefer hanging some of my clothes like my jackets and some of the delicate clothes that we have, and even my dresses, I prefer it on hanging them. So this is a practical method for me, so I've been using this. So this is a system that I use to organize my kurtas or regular wear kurtas. I have used this sari cover which is usually used to store saris. So I use this, and even the heavy dresses that I have, so which I use very rarely, are being stored in this sari covers. So I use these sari covers to store my dresses, which are used occasionally. So that's the reason they are stored in the last shelf of my closet, and which can go behind this. So this is the regular wear, so I keep this in front. And yes, so this is how I have organized my closet with some of the products. So we have seen some of the method and the products that I used in organizing a closet. If you all have any difficulty or need any suggestion while organizing your closet, please mention it in the comment box. I will be happy to help you all. And if you have liked my video, please do not forget to share it with your friends and click on the like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay organized.